Hi, this is Venkatesh. Welcome to Venki's Emerging Edge YouTube channel. Today our topic is evolution of machine learning. So first of all, what is machine learning? It is a process of learning that can be used to predict of data. It's the definition of machine learning. So, but coming to evaluation of machine learning, the evaluation may be two ways. One is strength of AI. Next one is background of AI. So that under in evaluation of machine learning. So first of all, strength of AI and background of AI. So initially 20th century, then all the researchers call like AI is a logic, and logic is AI. These are two different statements are called by the different researchers. Why we call these statements? Because of the earlier days, AI is mainly focused on logic programming, like Lisp, Prolog. The history of AI, we are also considered on GPS, general problem solver. Next one, control theory systems. So these main subjects are main program knowledge are mainly used in AI. Based on these program subjects, we are developing of gaming and different AI models. So that's why in 20th century we call like AI is a logic and logic is a AI. But coming to 21st century, in 21st century we call like AI is deep learning. Deep learning is a AI because of here neural networks is a and gated networks is a backbone of deep learning. That's why in 21st century it is called like AI is a deep learning is a AI. So these are main history of evolution of machine learning. But generally the evolution of machine learning we are categorized into the strength of AI and background of AI. Next coming to strength of AI. So strength of AI, we are mainly focused about machine learning. The machine learning consists of two different types of based on learning techniques. One is example based learning. Another one is observation based learning. Again, exam based learning is also called a supervised learning. Observation based learning is also called a unsupervised learning. So in supervised learning, we are mainly focused about two different types of algorithms. So one is classification, another one is regression. So observation learning, that means unsupervised learning, here we are mainly focused about two different algorithms. One is clustering, another one is association. So here supervised learning and unsupervised learning, these are under a data mining subject. So generally machine learning is example based learning and observation based learning. Again supervised, unsupervised and clustering and association, classification, regression, okay, what it may be. But whenever we are discussing about supervised, unsupervised, these are completely related to data mining. Next here, classification and clustering are mainly focused about pattern recognition subject, PR. So this is related to complete what is the data we are maintaining. So that's a database. That means a human computer interface. So this is completely a strength of AI. Is it clear? Background of AI. So here artificial intelligence AI an involving of multiple number of subjects, in which first one is algorithm, next one data structures, next probability and statistics, next one discrete structure, next one linear algebra, next one optimization, is it clear? So these are main subjects are involved in a AI, background of AI. So how these subjects are involved in a algorithms? So we can develop any gaming, any product, we required algorithms. Next one, data structures. In Python programming, we are mainly focused on data frames, panel, series, what it may be. That's why we are required data structures. How can you developing? How can you store the data and retrieve the data? Probability and statistics. So here, so initially we take the data science process, we collect the large amount of data in which we need to calculate the statistical information of data. That's a mean, mode, standard deviation, variance, like that. Next, discrete structure is related to graphs. Linear algebra. So here we need to calculate now some differential equations. So why we are these differential equation means in the so in maybe linear algebra. So in which why we are sometimes we may be using of dou x by dou y. This may be differential equation because we need to find out the learning rate of the model. Next one, optimization. So here in maybe computer network, so convolution neural networks in which we need to find out the optimization. So these are many different types of optimization techniques are using. There will be a stochastic gradient descent. This is one of the optimization. Next one, Adam. Next one is a gradient descent, batch gradient descent. So these techniques will be. So how can you solve it? How can you identify? How can you calculate the optimization by using the optimization subjects? So that's why AI can be involved in these all subjects of background. So this is one of the evolution of machine learning. Okay, thank you. If you have any doubts on any topic, please drop down your query into a comment box. I will make videos. Thank you.